Where are you going?
Hey everyone, it's Skyee here. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can probably tell by the thumbnail and the title, we're going to be going through the Steampunk Darlings names in the Coloring Heaven edition. And before we get into that, I just want to dive on into an explanation here for you guys. I figure I'll tie it in with this since this will be a super short video, so if you want to just watch for the explanation and then dive on out, that's fine. And if you are specifically just here for the actual video, I'll leave a timestamp somewhere so you can figure out where you need to go for that to start. So I have been quite absent lately. I think it's been about 6 months, give or take. So back in August of 2019, I started a new job, and I'm kind of used to being at home, not really having much responsibility, having a lot of free time on my hands. So it took a long time for me to kind of adapt to having a job, having a schedule, and with my schedule being bounced around a lot, like I usually work afternoons, but sometimes they'll put me on mornings, and my days aren't set. It's basically whenever she schedules me in for, I go. So with not having a fixed schedule, it makes it really hard to plan things, and it makes it seem a little bit It makes it seem a little bit more chaotic, and honestly, it wears me down quite a bit. So when I first started my job, I just didn't have the time or energy to put into YouTube, and it took a long time to get settled into my job, probably more than normal people. I think the average is about 3 months. Honestly, I am just getting used to my job now, and then all of this COVID-19 stuff happens, so there's all of these changes going on at work, and we're short-staffed, and there's just so many more hours that need to be filled, and I've been working 5 days a week, so it's been absolutely crazy. Besides all of that, though, my email for YouTube was actually hacked about a month or two ago. And actually, I think it's been about 2.5 months, and it's taken me about a month and a half to get it back. I'm not sure why, but the recovery email that I used for my YouTube email address was not working, so it was a bunch of back and forth between me and Google trying to figure it out. One thing that they couldn't figure out is I had no access to my YouTube. I could comment on people's videos and stuff as myself, but I could not access any of my content. I couldn't go into the creator studio, couldn't upload videos, couldn't do anything like that. I could just talk, leave comments, that's it. So yeah, that was a little bit annoying, and it took a long time to kind of get them to hand my email back to me. So I do actually have that now. I got it back the other day, so I'm really happy about that. I spent the day replying to comments. I uploaded my art room tour video today, so I feel a little bit better. I'm not going to commit to any sort of schedule. I am going to try to keep my YouTube channel fairly active, but it's definitely not going to be what it used to be just because of time restraints and stuff. I don't have the time or energy to put that much into it, but I do want to keep the channel going. I've missed you guys. I've missed making videos. I want to get back into that, and I think what's kind of helped is I actually have a cold right now, so if I sound a little bit funny, that's why. And with this whole COVID-19 thing going on, because I have a cold, I cannot go to work, so I've been actually off for the last couple weeks. So as much as it kind of sucks being sick, it's also been like a little bit of a reset, and I kind of needed that with everything going on. It was just nice to kind of relax and not have to worry about going to work and stuff. So I am hopefully going back here shortly. I'm feeling a little bit better today, so I'm hoping to go back soon. So yeah, so there'll be no set schedules or anything, and geez, we're almost already at 5 minutes. Yeah, there's my little explanation. I do apologize, guys. I've also been really distant on Instagram and stuff too. Again, just the whole time thing. I'm going to try my best to get a little bit better at that and try and work it into my schedule a little bit. Even if it's just a video every couple weeks, I'm sure that'll hopefully be more than enough for you guys. Yeah, so with that being said, let's dive on in. So this came out quite a bit ago, but there was somebody who commented on my updated coloring book collection video that said that they would like me to go through the names, because there is a few, there's 15 new designs that are exclusive to Coloring Heaven, so they don't have names. So what I did is I went through the Steampunk Darlings book And I grabbed the names for everything in here, and then Hannah had posted the names that she had for the exclusive girls that she did. She's not sure why they didn't post them in the book, because she did send them along with the files, but for some reason the names never got posted, so we're just going to go through that today. So this one is Clarissa. Just pause a sec so you guys can see the spelling. Unfortunately, the writing is a little bit small. Okay, so this one is Breakfast Machine. I might put like a little blurbs of the names up instead. It might make it a little bit easier. This one is Cara's Dragon. We've got Clockmender. I love this one. I've got a weird like fascination with clocks. I'm not sure why. Daphne. Here we've got Evelyn. She is in the Steampunks book. Bridget. Here's Jacqueline or Jacqueline. Not quite sure how it's supposed to be pronounced. This is one of my favorites. I cannot wait to color her. Here's Curiosity. Sonja. She's pretty cool. I love all the smoky backgrounds. I think that's what I'm most excited for. And here we've got Quinn. Belle of the Ball. Luna. Cordelia or Cordelia. Not quite sure how to pronounce that one either. Melody. I think this one is pronounced Briella. And then we've got Vivian, which I think I said in my flip through of this, she reminds me of love letters. A Rabbit in a Hat. Delilah's Discovery. Love this page. Joe's Journey. Magnolia's Masterpiece. On the Case. Penny. Here we've got Norah. Cascade. Just another one I'm excited to color, mainly just because of this thing on her head. I like that. I don't know why. I just want to color that. And here's Cat. Nova. Stella. Harriet. Everly. Railroad Rendezvous. Morgan. Sadie. Jessie. And here's Trixie. I've seen quite a few really amazing versions of her. Ring of Fire. Rocket. I went through and erased the names. I had them all up here, so I've got little eraser shavings everywhere still. Steampunk Masquerade. Stevie. And last but not least, we have Tea for Two. So those are all the names for the girls in the Steampunk Special Edition of Coloring Heaven. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in some of my future videos. Again, not sure when they'll be, but we'll just leave it to a surprise when I upload. Hopefully you'll get a notification, and yeah. Alright guys, as always, take care. See you next time. Bye!